In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine which version of Squarespace your website is currently running on. This is a quick and simple process that can be incredibly useful for troubleshooting, accessing specific features, or when you're seeking support. First, let's head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. For those of you who have linked your Squarespace account to Google, you can streamline this process by selecting Continue with Google. This will prompt you to choose the Google account you have associated with your Squarespace site. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one linked to your Squarespace site to avoid any confusion. After successfully logging in, your next step is to navigate to your specific website within Squarespace. If you're managing more than one site, make sure you select the correct one. This might seem basic, but it's an easy detail to overlook, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. Once you're on your website's main dashboard, find and click on the Pages section. This is where you'll spend most of your time making edits to your site, adding content, or simply managing the layout of your pages. Now, for the reason you're here, determining your Squarespace version. You'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Pages menu. Here, tucked away in the footer, you'll find the version number of Squarespace your site is currently using. It's a small detail, but knowing this can make a big difference, especially when you're trying to figure out which features are available to you, or if you're following guides and tutorials that are version specific. Understanding which version of Squarespace you're working with is crucial for several reasons. Each version has its unique set of features, strengths, and limitations. Knowing your version allows you to better utilize resources, access the right tools, and potentially save a lot of time and effort in managing your site. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward method to quickly find out your Squarespace version. Whether you're troubleshooting, planning a site redesign, or simply curious, this piece of information is key to making informed decisions and ensuring you're making the best use of Squarespace's capabilities. Remember, the version number is always there right at the bottom of the Pages menu should you need to refer to it again in the future.